how to fix Roblox crashing or freezing on PC. So first, just exit out of any application. So I'll just exit out of Chrome right here. Then just simply click on Windows plus R on your keyboard. So click on your Windows key, then your R key on your keyboard. Then this will bring up the run program right here and just type in percentage, then temp, then percentage just like this. So as you can see, percentage, then just simply click on OK. Once you're here, just simply select all of the files that are in this folder. And now just simply click on delete and just wait for this to delete. And if this pops up, just simply click on the tick box, then click on skip. And once it's done, just simply exit out. And after that, what we want to do now is just simply click on the Windows menu, click on the power button, and just restart your PC first. After you have restarted your PC, you can now check and open up any game and check if the method worked. But if it still did not work, what you can do now is just simply reinstall Roblox. So first, just clean uninstall Roblox first, and to do that, you simply need to click on Windows R again. Then now just type in app data instead of temp. So percentage app data percentage, then type in app data, click on OK, and find Roblox on the list right here. So I have Roblox right. So if you don't see Roblox right here, just simply click on app data here on the top, then go to local and scroll down, then you will see Roblox right there. So as you can see, Roblox right here. Now simply click on it and click on delete. And just wait for Roblox to delete. And now as you can see, it's not deleted. Once that's deleted, just go to the Roblox website and click on the play button on any game right here. So let's say Blox Fruits. Then just simply click on play. And this will basically download Roblox again. Now if this pops up, we just simply click on the download and install Roblox. So wait for this to load, then there will be an download install Roblox right there option. So as you can see, click on download and install. Now just simply click on save right here. Once it's done, just simply run the exe and just install Roblox again. And that's how I basically fix Roblox crashing or freezing on PC.